Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithmic equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put about Ln for the both sides. This one that is about natural law. Next, we have the formula in here. Ln8 to the power of b equals to b Ln8. So a that is about 14, s that is about b. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by Ln14. And this is the answer for the solution of S. And this one approximate about 1.1881. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.